Hello and welcome back to A Course in Miracles workbook for students. We are on lesson 142, which is a review of a couple of chapters. My mind holds only what I think with God, but the chapters we're going to review are 123, I thank my Father for his gifts to me, and 124, let me remember I am one with God. So 123 it's a short chapter. We could read it if you want, again, if you want, or we could
Sure.
just discuss um, what stood out for us in that chapter. What would you like to do,
Right.
Kelly?
I've got the whole of number one
Yeah,
highlighted,
yeah.
and then 5 and 6.
Well, let's look
So
at those.
sure.
So I'll read one. You read five, and I'll read six,
Mm-hmm.
and you read eight. How about that?
Okay, perfect.
Today, let us be thankful. We have come to gentler pathways and to smoother roads. There is no thought of turning back and no implacable resistance to the truth. A bit of wavering remains, some small objections and a little hesitance, but you can well be grateful for your gains, which are far greater than you realize.
We do not go alone, and we give thanks that in our solitude a friend has come to speak the saving word of God to us. And thanks to you for listening to him. His word is soundless, and it be not heard. In thanking him, the thanks are yours as well. An unheard message will not save the world, however mighty be the voice that speaks, however loving the message may be.
Thanks be to you who heard, for you become the messenger who brings his voice with you and lets it echo round and round the world. Receive the thanks of God today as you give thanks to him, for he would offer you the thanks you give, since he receives your gifts in loving gratitude and gives them back 1,000 and 100,000 more than they were given. He will bless your gifts by sharing them with you, and so they grow in power and in strength until they fill the world with gladness and with gratitude.
Receive receive his thanks and you will understand how lovingly he holds you in his mind, how deep and limitless his care for you, how perfect is his gratitude to you. Remember hourly to think of him and give him thanks for everything he gave his son, and that he might rise above the world, remembering his Father and his self.
I thank my Father for the gifts to me. So, this is about being grateful.
Right.
We're grateful for this journey. We're grateful for these lessons. We're grateful what we've learned and um, what has been, you know, said to us many times that we need to review so so many times.
Yes. Gratitude.
Okay, and then oh, I didn't put a bookmark in there. Did I? No. And then the other chapter is 124. Let me remember I am one with God. So let's have a look at that as well. I did
Mhm.
underline a lot in there. But what should we read from there? I know we've underlined random lines. At least I have.
Yeah, I have two. I have underlined one, two, three, four, 5 pieces throughout the whole thing.
Yeah,
Why don't I read just the little bits that I've underlined, like sentences here and there, and
yeah.
you can do the same.
And so you
Um,
do it from the first, yeah, and then I can read from like seven, what I underlined from 7 to 11.
mm.
Okay.
So in number one, right in the middle, it says we can fail in nothing. So I highlighted that,
Yeah,
which is awesome. And then in number two, I have our shining footprints point the way to truth, for God is our companion as we walk the world a little while. I like that. That
I like that a
succinct
lot.
kind of a little while, right? We're not here for a very long time,
Yeah,
right? This is just a short experience for
yeah,
whatever time constraint, whatever that means, right?
yeah. Until we're
And
needed at home, back
that's
home.
right. And then in number four, I have, we feel him in our hearts, our minds contain his thoughts, our eyes behold his loveliness in all we look upon. Today we see only the loving and the lovable. That was what I,
Lovely.
yeah.
Yes. Okay. In number one, I added on a little bit. We can fail in nothing, which is the first thing you read.
Mm-hmm.
Everything we touch takes on a shining light that blesses and that heals. I
Mm,
like that as well.
yeah.
um, and then in number five, the last line, as all this we see because we saw it first within ourselves.
Mm,
So that's just reminding us to have great awareness.
right.
No miracle can ever be denied to those who know that they are one with God. Yeah. And then on the next page, we join in this awareness as we say that we are one with God. For in these words, we say as well that we are saved and healed, that we can save and heal accordingly. We have accepted and we now would give. In our experience, the world is freed as we deny our separation from our Father. It is healed along with us. And then in number eight, peace be to you today. Secure your peace by practicing awareness. You are one with your Creator as He is with you. We will trust God's voice to speak as He sees fit today, certain He will not fail. But like, this is just miraculous stuff, really.
Mm-hmm.
This half an hour will be framed in gold, with every minute like a diamond set around the mirror that this exercise will offer you. Pardon me. And you will see Christ's face upon it in reflection of your own.
Mm-hmm.
Perhaps today, perhaps tomorrow, you will see your own transfiguration in the glass this half hour will hold out to you to look upon yourself, just reminding us of awareness.
Yeah.
Let me remember I am one with God.
I highlighted a little piece in number 11, the first part. Perhaps today, perhaps tomorrow, you will look into this glass and understand the sinless light you see belongs to you. The loveliness you look on is your own.
Count this half hour as your gift to God in certainty that His return will be a sense of love you cannot understand, a joy too deep for you to comprehend, a sight too holy for the body's eyes to see. How beautiful is that? And yet
Mm-hmm.
you can be sure someday, perhaps today, perhaps tomorrow, you will understand and comprehend and see. So let me remember I am one with God.
Yeah. Yep.
Add further
Atonement.
jewels to the add further jewels to the golden frame that holds the mirror offered you today by hourly repeating to yourself, let me remember I am one with God, at one with all my brothers and myself, in everlasting holiness and peace.
Yep.
What else needs to be said? Nothing.
No.
Nothing. That's amazing. Well, that was a beautiful review of these two chapters and a good,
Mm-hmm.
oh, not awareness, but a good reminder of who we are
Yeah.
and why we shine, and that we can remember to shine and be loving.
Yeah. I'm just going to
Anything
write
else,
those on
Kelly?
the side. What was the first one? Um, Gratitude. So
Yeah.
123 was about gratitude. And then
Yes, I thank
124
my
would be
Father for his
atone.
gifts.
I'm going to start writing atonement as at one-ment.
Yeah, definitely. That's what it is.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because then I'll really get it.
Today, let us be thankful. Yeah. At one minute. We are at one.
I
Yeah.
like that.
Excellent. Let's wrap it up there. Oops.